Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay February 27, 2023, Lunes. At welcome po sa isang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa BSP rate hike next month. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at araw-araw ko pong ginagawa at binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong pinaka-paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSEi ngayong araw, ika-27 ng Pebrero. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay galing po ng BDO Securities. Medallia says 25 basis point hike most likely in March. Ito po ang ating main news. NEDA finalizes 15 trillion peso projects for Marcos approval. Metrobank posts 48% jump in full year 2022 earnings. Ito po yung ating news last time. No? And then we have Ali to raise 60 billion pesos for debt payments and capex this year. JGS businesses seen performing better amid full mobility, and FGen looks forward to the availability of green fuels. But our main news, galing po ng Business World, and I'll be reading the summary from BDO Securities. Medallia says 25 basis point hike most likely in March. BSP Governor Felipe Medallia said the central bank will likely raise the benchmark rate again next month and is looking at a smaller 25 basis point move amid signs of slower inflation in February. Mr. Medallia cited a great possibility that inflation has already peaked in January as non-monetary measures are starting to dampen price increases. There are signs that the February inflation will be lower. There are lots of sugar imports as well, and we'll probably be seeing that with other products as well, he said. So yan po ang ating main news mula sa Business World. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang inyong mga tanong, no? At comments. Meron po ako nakita dito. Peter Yu, para bukas please ACEN GT Cap. Okay po, unahin po natin yon. Sama po natin yon. Salamat po sa vlog, sabi po ni Joel PG Vlog. Pa-review ng MWIDE, sir. May tanong ako, paano malalaman ang schedule announcement sa Philippine interest rate at inflation rate? Ano ba ang real effect sa PSEi? More knowledge and God bless. Okay, ganito po yan, no? I think I have discussed this also several times in the past, but for this question, kailan malalaman ang schedule? First po, the Monetary Board makes that decision and they meet 8 times a year. Kung isa-search nyo lang po sa BSP website, ito po yung kanyang schedule. Schedule of monetary policy meetings and the publication of... Anyway, ito po yung schedule of policy meetings ng Monetary Board. Ito po yung second column, ano? And they meet 8 times a year. Okay? Ito po ay February, March, May, June, August, September, November, and December. They meet on the second or third Thursday. So for February 16 po sila nag-meet, and for March 23 ang next meeting po. And they usually announce it during this time na nagmi-meeting sila, or during the meeting dun po ina-announce. So yun po ang inyong tanong, no? So next is Ano po ang effect ng inflation, no? Interest rate at inflation. Okay. Pagka nag-increase ka ng rate, bumababa po yung market. Pagka nagbaba ka ng rate, tumataas po yung market. Ganun po, inverse relationship po yan. Ngayon po, it also depends on the expectation. Say for example, the market expects yung announcement of the inflation rate to be 50 basis points. Pero it turned out na hindi sila nag-increase. Good news po yun. No? Good news po yun sa stock market. So tulad ngayon, no, sabi nila 25 basis points daw sa March. Pero come March, hindi naman, example lang po, no, hindi naman po nag-declare. Good news po yun. Kasi hindi po nag-increase ng rates eh. Pagka nagkaroon po ng rate increase, bumababa po yung market. Bakit? Kasi po, imbis na ilagay mo sa negosyo yung pera mo, people will place their money with high-yielding treasury bills and bonds na ini-issue po ng government. Pangalawa po, tumataas po yung cost of money. Ibig sabihin, kung merong utang ang isang kumpanya sa stock market, tumataas po yung cost niya. So, lumiliit po yung profit, di ba? Pagka tumataas ang cost. And when you increase the rates, you have that extra cost that you have to contend with. Di ba? Yung mga kumpanya, mas malaki yung kanyang expense dahil tumataas yung kanyang interest rate na binabayaran dun sa bangko. Kasi pagka tinaas mo yung rates, sama-sama po yan. Yung interest sa loans, yung interest sa credit card, yun po. Sama-sama po yan tataas. Okay, Joel PG Vlog. Okay, next we have another question here from Leo Mars. Good morning po. Paano po natin mako-compute ang percentage ng dividends received natin sa isang stock in a year? Is it by dividing our average cost to its dividend per share? Siguro ang tanong mo, how do you compute the dividend yield? Percentage ng dividend received. Yung dividend yield, ano? Ibig sabihin, ano ba yung interest rate? Kumbaga, kung ano equivalent interest rate. Simple lang po mag-compute yan. Kukunin niyo lang po yung total dividends na binigay ng kumpanya for the year over the stock price or the presyo ng stock. Yun po. Dividend yield po yun. Magbigay po tayo ng example. Say for example, si GMA 7. Magkano ba yung binigay niyang dividend yield in 2022? Makikita po natin dito. Dito po, nagbigay po siya noong April 16. Once a year lang po yan magbigay. 135. Ngayon, ano ba yung price of the stock na nag-declare siya ng dividend? Example lang po. No? So, 135. So, nagbigay siya dito noong 770. Okay? So, 135 over 770. Yan po yung dividend yield. 135 over 77. So, that's 17.53%. Ganun lang po. So, I think I've covered that already. Raquel Robrigado, thank you. Okay, sige po. So, okay na po, Cleo March. So, hindi ko yata na-explain dito, pero ganun po ang pag-compute ng dividend yield. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ang index ay, I think, bumaba na naman ito eh. Nasilip ko ito kanina. Yan, no? Yan, nasa 6599.34. So, it's approaching, actually, support level na po ito eh. 6599.34 or 86.56% down or 1.29%. So, it is already within the support level, no, ng PSE index. Kasi if we'll be drawing a parallel channel, actually, na-break lang nga po niya yung kanyang support. Kasi yung support level nandito eh. Yan. Pero the next support level nasa 6,500 and mukhang mabe-break na rin po yun. Because yung bearish sentiment po na nagpre-prevail sa market. Okay, yung market activity naman, 149 companies declined, 34 unchanged, 55 advanced. Ang all-share index bumaba ng 1.12%, samantalang ang mga sectoral indices ay bumaba liban lamang sa financials, which is up, no? Yung holding companies, industrials, mining, properties, and services are down, led by the services, which fell 3.46%. Yung ating most active stock ay, tignan po natin, puro pula yung nakikita ko dito. The most active is Globe Telecoms, which fell 2.55%. BDO is next, which is almost flat, 0.08% up. And SM Prime is down 3.44. TEL is down 4.47%. But MER is up 1.81%. Ano nangyari kay MER? May dividendo kaya? Check natin. So, silipin lang natin si MER, ha. Mukhang may dividendo ito kaya tumaas ng ganyan. I think I saw something. Ito, press release. Uy, meron nga. Declaration of cash dividends. Silipin lang natin. Ex-date is March 24. And common stock regular dividend po ito. And the dividend per share is 11 and 2.8 centavos. 11.02.8. Yun po ang dividend ni Meralco. Yan po. So, halimbawa, if this is the first dividend declaration for the year, so that's 11.08. 082 divided by the price ngayon, 314.8. So that's 3.5% gross. Yan po yung dividend yield. 3.5% tama. Gross. That's the dividend yield. Okay? So yan po ang MER. And then let's take a look ngayon ng sige. Sama na natin si MER. One of the most active stocks today, pero unahin po natin si MWIDE. MWIDE is, nagko-consolidate lang po. So, bumaba po siya ng bahagya at ito po yung consolidation pattern niya is downward flag, ano? With support, actually this is resistance level, ano? Yung support niya, lower support is here at yan po 355, pero it has reached some kind of resistance here, no? Ito na po yung resistance level niya, nandito po. So hovering just within the resistance level at 3.92 or 4, no? Nasa 4 po ang resistance level ni MY, kaya po nagkakaganito ang kanyang pattern. Pero in general po ay bullish pa po si MWIDE. Yung kanyang RSI is nasa 56, almost 57. Ito po ay bullish number. Okay, and then tingnan natin si Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation ay bearish si Ayala, 648. Pababa po siya, oh. Actually po, ang pwede nyong gawin dito is abangan nyo po siya sa support level, which is somewhere here, 597. Yan po yung pinaka-support level ni Ayala. That's the lower support actually. Tapos, dyan po kayo bumili. Uy, it's approaching oversold level. So, 30.76. So, konti pa. Mag 30 lang po yan, pwede na po kayong bumili. Or at this time, pwede na po kayong bumili. Dahil it's reaching its support level already. It's oversold actually. Reaching oversold levels na po itong RSI ni Ayala Corporation. Tignan nga natin yung kanyang target price, ano? Based dito sa BDO SEC. Ayala Corporation, I think this is still third quarter. Buy rating 1,050, 61.5% upside po yan. So 648, mga 62 to 63% po yung kanyang upside. Next, we have GT Cup. Si GT Cup, okay, si GT Cup po ay, okay, turning bearish po. Yan. So, it's, yung ating indicator ay nagko-crossover. Ito naman po ay still almost reaching the 50-day exponential moving average. Kung titingnan po natin, ang pinaka-support level niya, sa ngayon nakikita ko po dito sa area to nasa 476, and the 50 or the 100-day EMA is acting as our support. So yan po, no? So nagda-dive na po. Actually, parang pababa po yung mountain Pero it has reached overbought noong February 30, no? Yan po yung overbought level. Nag-overbought na rin po siya dito. At ngayon po ay bumababa po siya. So, abangan po natin. Pero the support level that I see is 476. Si RCR naman, okay, bearish po si RCR. Bearish din po, no? At meron po siyang, okay, payment date is tomorrow. Dividends. Pero, ngayon po ay nag-hold po siya ng support dito Actually, the support is here, no? Yan po, ang pinaka-support niya, 533. And, medyo mataas pa po siya. But, it's bearish already. At this point, actually, nag-oversold na po yung kanyang stock, ano? So, it's at 31.09, but here, it fell to 27.70. So, it's oversold noong February 17. Yan. Ngayon po, February 27, nasa 31.09, approaching again oversold levels. So, if you trade using the relative strength index, pwede ka nang bumili at this point. No? Pwede ka nang bumili at this point because it is in the vicinity of the oversold area. Okay, so yan po yung support level. At yung ating resistance, nandito po sa 590, pero ang binabantayan po natin yung support. Okay, then finally we have MER. Si MER na nagbigay ng dividendo ngayon ay, okay, nasa resistance level po si MER. Kasi po nandito po yung resistance niya. Yan, 309. Pero 314 is still the area, resistance area, no? Right now, meron po siyang gap up dito, and probably because of the earnings report ni Meralco. Yung declaration of cash dividends po niya na ito po, no? Nag-declare po siya ng 11.2. So, 11 pesos and 2.8 centavos. Payment date is April 26. So, regular cash dividends po ang kanyang ibibigay. Natin, baka meron pang iba. Natin. Check natin. Financial operating results. So, magpapalabas na po ng bagong study si BDOsec. Material transactions. Tingnan natin kung meron material transaction. Sige. So, yan po lamang ang declaration ni Meralco. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-27 ng Pebrero. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. Investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.